Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have completed with the texturing of this particular stylish kitchen over here. So now what I'll be doing over here is we'll be doing the lighting over here for this particular designer kitchen. So very first of all, what I'll be doing over here is let me create a roof over here first. So let's just set up a roof. Let me just set up the roof first, and let me just assign some color to the roof. So I'll just assign one color over here, and if you want I can slightly make it dark as well. That's totally okay. So what I'll do over here is I'll go onto this view and let's take a light. So let's go into the lights. Let's take a Vray light, and I'll take a Vray Sun over here. So let's take a Vray Sun. I'll just drag it right from the window. So it's asking you, would you like to add? So let's say yes. For now, I'll go over here, and if you want to reduce this area, I can slightly reduce this area, slightly shuffle it over here. So select the light, select this, drag it till here, and I'll go over here and I'll increase its photon emit radius over here slightly. Shuffle it over here, go over here, let's take a filter color, and I'll slightly give a bit of. So now let's render and see after adding one light how it's going to look like. So once you click on the render button, we can see that it's very harsh and the light is very high. So I'll just press Shift F. I'll go into the render setup over here. We'll do some changes. I'll set the irridence map as primary engine. Go into the V-Ray, I'll take it as sampler as bucket. We'll take the filter as Catmull room for now. Now I'll just set up a basic scene over here. I'll go into this, and we do have the intensity over here. I'll keep it as 0.2, and let's render it once again. So once you render it once again, you see still the light is very high. So again I'll go over here, again I'll make it as 0.07. let me save the file once, and let's render it once again. This is much better now. So now you can see the light is coming properly from the window. Much better. Now we are already in the perspective view only. I'll slightly push this up and shuffle it till here. Select this and push it a bit down. Go into the render setup. Let's and go into this Vray environment, activate GI environment, make it as exponential, and let's render it once again. Yeah, looks better. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's take a V-ray light. I'll add a V-ray light right from this direction. So I'll just slightly push it a bit inside in this way. And now we can again render this. Okay, before that, let's go into this V-ray. I'll take a temperature over here. Let's set temperature, double-sided, invisible, no decay. Activate all these options. We need a cast shadow as well, but the intensity of the light is very high. Let's make the intensity as 2 over here. Still you see the intensity is very high. So before that, I'll make it as 1 over here and let's render it. Now looks better. So we have added light over here. Okay, we haven't added some glass or something. We could have added it. So if you want, I can just copy of it. I'll just rotate it. Let's just scale it. Resize it. Push it up. Again scale it in this way. Okay. Although there are no cameras in the scene. So let's render it once again. We could have added something over here. If you want, we can add some knobs or something and give some material to look it much better. That can be done. So I'll just, instead of the knobs, I'll just make the handles. Let's go into this. Let's give some fillet. Rectangular, enable in viewport. Alright, so convert to poly. So let's just scale it. You can put this over here, wherever is required. So let's go into the material. If you want, we can just take a chrome material. So let's make it as white, reflection, full white. I'll increase the Fresnel IOR, shift and drag it. Need to have some handles. It's going to look better. So again, we'll select this, drag it in this way. So let's just save the file once again over here accordingly. So just rotate it. So drag it out. Push it down. Okay. So I'll just select this. So just duplicate it. Alright. So let's just render it once again. Right. Much better. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.